Hello guys and welcome back. So let's keep on going with our hair setup. I think it's time we can maybe just show the body now. It's just not showing the body makes it harder to read. Alright, cool. So now we can try to break up a few things that's repetitive. Here you can take a look at the end of this hair. You can see they're quite straight. All the hair strands are the same length in this case. So we can go create a new modifier, and this time we can go for this cut, and that's going to cut the hair randomly, and random from not cutting to cutting 0.2 centimeters. That's too little, so I'm going to go for like 10 centimeters to cut. Right, that way you can see now the hair feels more organic. They're not ending the same, but you can also feel like it's, if I disable that, you can see it's cutting also a lot of hair away, right? So you can go back to the primitive and crank up the density to back to 80 just to have a few more, not back to 80 but up to 80, right? So that it's having more hair in there. Okay, all right. And one of the things that we really can use to break up this hair, oh, and you can see here like this is clipping into there, right? So again, we fix that problem by changing the guides. So show the guides, and then we can maybe I think that's the one that's getting this part. So I guess we make it go out. Yeah, you can see how we are able to fix that. It's still clipping in. Maybe we can get those things in. Right, these guys, maybe also these two. Right. All right. Anyway, so yeah, if you see some problem in the guides, you fix them. Okay. All right. So yeah, and the next thing we can do to break this up is something we call the noise. So you go to the modifier. You can add a new modifier and noise. Okay, and you can hit OK. You can see how the noise is giving the hair this slight noise to make them feel more natural. Okay, and you can control how much noise is applied from root to the tip. The tip is definitely having more noise, but you can crank this up to have more noise in the middle also. Right. Based on how straight you want the hair to be, and also like the noise is having a higher density, which makes it looks like it's a little bit more. I think this amount of noise is for more like a shorter hair, so I think a longer hair could be more straight, right? So we can crank up the frequencies to 3. That way the noise is like 3 times bigger, right? So sorry, not 3, 0.2, right? So we have the noise. It's still there. It's just bigger noise. It's bigger waves. I think that's better in this case if we want to set up like a longer hair. Maybe too small. 0.6. Okay. Yeah, that's about right. Maybe 0.5. Okay. And then we can even change the magnitude. 1 is not the maximum. You can make it 2, right? Oh, 2 here, and that should make it having more noise. Okay. Right now, by the look of it, I think I should break it up even more. So, I mean, having a bigger noise. I'm gonna change that to 0.2. Yeah, this feels more like longer hair's noise, right? You're not limited to just one set of noise, of course. So if you want to have smaller noises, you can have a new layer and apply that. Okay. Okay. So I think there's still some more stuff we can do in here on those back parts. I think they're just having some more a lot of visible breakups. So maybe we can have some more noise on the back part on those guys, bigger noises. So I'm gonna go create another noise, which is in here, right? But this noise is not gonna be applied to the hair in front. So I'm gonna go to the mask and create map. I'm gonna call it Xgen Hair back noise mask, and create that, and just save it right away before you paint anything. Okay, I'm gonna make it black and flat the painting, and then I'm gonna go use white and the paint this back area. Maybe black more to erase some of the things in here. Okay, save it. And now that noise should be applied to the back more and not in the front. Right. And then we can control that noise to only affect how much noise we're having on the back. Let's try that. I'm gonna go for 4. So this is gonna have a whole lot of noise. You can see it's affecting on these guys. Right. So I still want to have bigger noise. So frequency will be 0.2. Right, and you can see how we are able to make it feel more natural. Maybe 0.2 is fine. The magnitude can be smaller in this case. Maybe 2 instead. Yeah, just want to break up the back and make it feel like more like the pullback. I don't want this part to do that. Right, so we can go to the paint here, and this part can be of course darker. Right, save it. All right, pretty cool. And also I think this noise, yeah, I think this feels more natural because of that, right? And I think I need to have a few more in there, so I'm gonna go keep on doing that. So go to the hair base, the paint, so this part can be having a little bit more white color, full white. Yeah, this guy over here for sure. Save that. You can see now how those are bricked up more. Right. Okay, cool. And then after that, I think we can also break up more here. I think that's because of this, so we can crank that up so that they're all having more break up also on the root. Maybe that's too much. Yeah. All right. Cool. So this is some extra stuff we can do, right, to make it look a bit more better. But still, I think there's one thing that we're missing a whole lot here, which is they're too perfect. Like the separation is like cut clean, right? And the hair are all following the clumping. But on the other hand, there's nothing really out of the rule we define here. So it'd be better if we can have some more hairs that's just not really following everything, but just flying like free, which is something we call stray hair. So let's go ahead and apply that in the next video. Okay, see you guys next time.